Aung Thong Ding Hun Thadou Cultural Festival 2023 ahin. Mr. and Miss Thadou kitet na zong ding ahin. First round of audition, 1st April nin, First Summer Banquet Hall in audition at Titan. Tuahi 4th April 2023 Tuesday nile. Kuki in Imphal. Second round of audition che haling ahin. Audition masa ang zao man ho. Tujung second round of audition na hong zao din wing team na lihat sa kahin ni. Documents required ho to hile. Aadhaar card, Xerox copy khat, chale tribe certificate in original. 2-color passport photo and 1 full-length photograph. Aban le, registration form hi zangahin amuna timudingahin. Dress code to hile numay hoa black shirt to black shorts, chale pasal hoa to black shirt to black pant. The winner of Mr. and Miss Thadou 2023 will take home a cash prize of rupees 1 lakh each. First runner-up 70,000 each, and second runner-up 50,000 each. There are 4 subtitles awards each for Mr. and Miss Thadou 2023. We have Mr. and Miss Congeniality, Mr. and Miss Active, Best Physique for the boys, and Best Catwalk for the girls. And we also have the Best Costume award for both boys and girls. And its subtitle award winners will take home a cash prize of rupees 10,000 each, and also consolation prize of rupees 5,000 each. Hization inam sunga nga bolong may hoy ta ta so say tanong ta pan hila ding bin team na lahat sa akin.